welcome back to our channel. It is 5:30 in the morning on Father's Day 2018, and my wife asked me what I wanted to do today on Father's Day this year. And we've had a lot of stuff going on this year, and I have not had a chance to get my boat out and go fishing very much, so I said that I wanted to go fishing. Now the trick here is, when I go fishing, I usually get up at about 5 in the morning. I make sure I'm on the lake by about 6, and I'm usually coming off the lake by about 10 o'clock when everybody's just getting there. So this is what we're doing today. We're taking the entire family and we're going fishing on Father's Day 2018. Hope you like the video. So ladies and gentlemen, we're out here on the lake and we're struggling a little bit with weeds. And I just gotta say, I'm not really sure what she caught. The weeds, then the fish, or the fish, then the weeds. Not really sure what's going on, but we're just out here trying to have a good time.
Oh, we're drifting into...
Bound to catch one unless she's on camera. The key to fishing, Mike, is making sure you're holding your mouth right.
Your what?
Never heard that before?
No.
You gotta be holding your mouth right. So Marcus just got one. Marcus put a little spinner on here and he just caught him a trophy bass. Good work, Markhead. Can you get it off? Go ahead, get it off. Mark's gonna measure his fish. Gotta hold the lip up to the front. So what, 9.5?
Yeah, no,
Pretty
it's
close.
9, exactly 9.
Okay, go ahead and let him go. Right there, where I can see you.
He zipped away.
My mom's taking a turn. I couldn't get the camera up quick enough.
Why I thought I was hooked on.
She thought she had a lily pad. She may or may not have said a curse word because of the lily pad and then realized that she had a fish.
Go. Wow. I'm not.
What is it?
And we got our fish.
Trophy bass.
You gotta hold it correctly.
Oh yeah. Yellow, no? That's a bassy bullfish.
Right in the side of the mouth. That's a good hook again. Nice little guy.
Yeah.
Lily pad.
How much does he measure? Measure.
He's probably 10.
It's a fighter.
I can reel your rod in. Mom got one. Ooh, there we go. Yep, there you go, buddy. Grab it for me.
Oh.
That's a nice one.
Nice little guy.
Oh, he got off.
Oh no!
I saw it.
Alright guys, we just pulled out of the lake, and just like I suspected, coming off the lake about 10 o'clock, it started to get pretty busy there. All the jet skiers and the tubers and the people that wanted to go skiing and such, they started lining up at the boat launch pretty good. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.